host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for free for small business. I will be showing you how to use two of the best platforms. The first option that I would recommend you give a try is Canva. I will also be highlighting the pros and cons of both platforms. The other platform that I'm going to be showing you to use is Wix, and I do consider Wix as the best website builder, especially for complete beginners. But let's say for example you would like to use Canva. With Canva you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, all you'll need to do now is simply tap on the search bar and you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. For example, let's say we would like to create a beauty salon website. You could type in beauty salon website. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is select a template of your liking, and from there you can start adding your own personal touches. So you can see the different templates right here. Let's say for example we would like to use this one. After you have selected it, you can tap on continue with this template. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, let's say you would like to add a photo right here. All you will need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and tap on uploads. Then tap on upload an image, and you can upload the image that you would like to add. Or you can tap on elements from the top left hand corner, and then from there you can type in whatever you would like to add, as Canva will provide you with some copyright free photos or videos that you can use. So let's say for example I would like to use this photo. I can drag and place it right there. After doing that, you can edit the text section by simply selecting it. You can customize the text. Now, one of the major pullbacks of Canva that I would like to highlight is, for example, let's say you would like to offer booking. So we want to change this text to book now. We would type out book now right here. After doing that, what you're going to need to do, you'll have to open a new tab and you're going to have to sign up to a booking platform. So that is one of the major pullbacks of Canva. As to add other features, you'll need to go onto their external website, and then from there you're going to have to integrate, or better yet embed it on your Canva website. Now that is not beginner friendly and it can become a bit tedious. But if we were to use Wix, for example, you can see that it is quite beginner friendly and easy to use. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there you can create an account using your email address for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Then you're going to tap on create on Wix editor. After selecting that, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on set up without AI. After doing that, you can select the type of website that you would like to create. So we'll be using the same example. We're going to type in beauty salon. So you can see right there the different options, and we're going to type in beauty salon. After you have done that, you can select it, then tap on continue. Then you are going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard has been prepared, all you'll need to do now is tap on enter the name of your site and you can name your website. Then you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can choose your website goals. So for example, do you plan on selling products, offering services, promote a business, promote yourself? I'm going to tap on offer service, and then I'm going to also select I'll plan to sell products online. Then you're going to tap on continue. After you have done that, you can see the different apps that you can add. So for example, I'm going to be adding online store, which will allow us to sell products online. You're also going to add booking, which will allow you to schedule appointments for your customers. You can also, if you would like to create events to sell tickets or so on, you could add that. You can also add a portfolio, which would allow us to showcase our work. And you can scroll down and you can see the different plugins that you can quickly add. Now, after you have chosen the plugins that you would like to add, you can tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, you're going to tap on go to dashboard. Once you have tapped on go to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your new Wix dashboard. Now once on this page, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to hover over catalog. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on booking services, and from here you'll be able to add the different services that you want to offer. So for example, you'll tap on start from scratch. Then after doing that, from here you can type out the service name. So let's say for example, just type out nails. Then you could tap on add image and you could upload an image. You could also add a description. You can add the duration right here. Then you can scroll down and you can set the price. After you have set the price, all you'll need to do now is tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue doing this to add numerous services that you would like to offer. Once you're finished doing that, if you would like to sell products online, you could select store products. Then from there, you could tap on new product and you'll be able to add the product that you would like to sell. After you're finished doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on connect payment method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different options. For example, I can connect PayPal and TiloPay. But if I was located in a different country, or if I were to tap right where you see Jamaica and change my location to, for example, United Kingdom, you'll see that I'm now provided with a different set of payment options that I can offer my customers. So you can see right there, you'll be able to offer different payment options. And with Wix, you can also offer POS checkout. So you can use their point of sale checkout if you want by selecting POS checkout right here. So you can see it right there. So with it, you'll be able to select the product. Then you can select the quantity and you can tap on add to cart. So for example, right there. And then you'll be able to tap on charge and you'll be able to charge them. Now after doing this, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then I want you to tap on design site. After tapping on design site in the top right hand corner, we're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can simply tap on search all templates in the top right hand corner, and from there you could type in your business. So for example, I'm going to type in beauty salon. So you'll see beauty shop and I'll select that. And you can see that we are provided with numerous templates that we can choose from. Let's say I were to select this one. All you'll need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being composed in the background. Once your website has finished composing, all you'll need to do now is tap where you see the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and then from there you can start editing how your website looks. So you can see how our website looks at the moment, and to edit your Wix website is quite easy. All you'll need to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit, for example the header section, and you can tap on quick edit. Then from there you'll see a window pop up on the right hand column and you can start editing it. If you would like to change the image or so on for anywhere, you'll simply tap on the section, then tap on quick edit, and you can go over to the right hand menu option and you can choose to change it. You can edit the text and so on also. It is quite easy even for a complete beginner. Once you're finished editing it, all you'll need to do now, if you would like to view all the pages on your website, you could tap on home in the top left hand corner and you can see all the pages right here. Another thing that I also want to highlight for you, if it is a case that you would like to add an element, for example a text box or photo to a page, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see all of the elements that you can add. So whether it is an image, a text box, a button, anything at all that you would like to add to your website, you can do that from this section. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on preview to see how it looks. And then from there you can tap on publish, and that's it. Keep in mind, to accept payments on your Wix website, you will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. But their paid plans are quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month. And you will be able to create a professional looking and operating website even as a complete beginner for your small business. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.